Okay, now we're going to move on to TechnoResearch Assignment 3, which is Organize Ideas and Create an Outline. And in this one, I'm going to go off a little bit from what the worksheet says to do, because there's an easier way to work on your outline. So let's go through a little bit of what it says on the worksheet, and then I'll tell you the easier way to do the actual work. So it says, you need to be able to organize the facts you find. It is a good idea to create an outline. An outline is a framework with headings used to sort facts. So something that you need to remember is that you're only creating a fact card about your Christmas in whatever country you chose. So it's only going to be one page total. And if you remember back to the samples that we looked at, like the pioneers and the, let's see, there was one about space. It's just one page with short, like small bites of information and pictures, and then a glossary and the sources. So for your outline, on the worksheet, I added a few popular headings just in case your topic is a little still too broad. You might want to narrow it down some more. So I put different headings like dates, songs, decorations, gift giving, things like that, just to help you if you need to narrow it down even more. So here's what you're going to do, and this is where I'm going to stray a little bit from the worksheet. Open your document that you were working on in assignment 2. So mine is Christmas decorations in the Philippines, because remember I changed the title of the document to something more specific to my topic. So open that and then go to File here, File, and Make a Copy right there. And then it automatically names it Copy of, and in my case, Copy of Christmas Decorations in the Philippines. But I'm going to change that before I go any further, and I'm going to make it, I'm going to get rid of where it says Copy of. So it says Christmas Decorations in the Philippines, and then I'm going to add the word outline at the end of that. So outline. Then click Make a Copy. So what it's doing is it makes an exact copy of my previous document. One thing I forgot to tell you is when you make the copy, let me show you, when you make the copy, you can check share it with the same people. So you should do that, and that way it will be shared with me again so that I can grade it for you. All right, so now I have Christmas decorations in the Philippines outline, and I'm going to get rid of all of this stuff that is above the list of questions that I made. All right, so now I just have Christmas decorations in the Philippines, and I have my different questions, and each of those questions is going to be a heading name. So I'm going to get rid of the numbers. I'm just going to select all of it and click on the number list, and it makes the numbers go away. And then I am going to do several enters after each of the questions. You can see it's leaving space in between because I'm actually going to be putting information in those spaces as I do my research. All right, so I've done that. Then I'm going to add 2 more headings. One of them is glossary, which is a list of words that I'm going to be giving definitions for. Because remember, this is for younger kids and they might not know what all the words mean. And then the last one is sources, because I have to say where I got my information from. All right, so now I'm going to go through and I'm going to format all my headings. So you can select them in a couple of different ways. You can click and then just drag so they get selected like that. Or you can do Control A and that selects everything on the page. And I'm just going to make everything bold, and then maybe Then I'm going to do some other stuff, like here's my title, Christmas Decorations in the Philippines. So I'm going to center that here. I'm going to make it much bigger, like 18. The color, I'm going to change it to red. And then I have all my other headings, and I think I want to make them a bit bigger as well. They stand out more. The only thing is, see, now I've gone on to a second page, so that's not okay. So I have to bump it down one more, and now it's all still on one page. All right, and that's all you have to do for TechnoResearch 3 is make your outline.